Hello everyone, welcome to our channel today. Today we're going to start a new category in formula. In previous videos, we have discussed the heat creating formula in different situations, in superficial, in different organs from this video. In this video, we're going to discuss the other topic, summer heat. So summer heat, what's the difference between heat and summer heat? Summer heat, the name of summer heat is recorded in 黄帝内经. So it's about 黄帝内经. It was written about 2,200 years ago. And why we call summer heat? It's actually it describe this disease. It happens in summer, especially in late summer. So for summer heat, for diseases due to summer heat, it got one of the most important character. It must be in summer, or late summer, or early autumn. Summer heat, why we have the other name for summer heat, it's actually because once the time, it must be in summer. The other is the environment, the climate. At that time, it's very hot. Normally it's very hot, and it rains a lot. So when it rains a lot and it's hot, the heat and the dampness, the humid climate, will combine together. You cause the heat and dampness. So for summer heat, you always have, the patient will have the heat symptoms and the dampness. The patient may have fever, may have headache, may be irritated a lot, and also may be sweating. The tongue sometimes have thick greasy coating or watery coating. So these indicate the dampness in the body. Due to the sweating or the heat in the body, the patient sometimes also will have insufficiency symptoms. That's due to sweating or due to the heat in the body. So when we see this kinds of condition, we need to be careful which parts is dominant. One is the heat, the other one is the dampness. If the heat is dominant, so the patient has severe heat and a little bit dampness. In the formula, we need to adjust them, we need to modify them, we need to focus on clearing heat. But on the other condition, if the patient have less heat, so mild heat, like mild fever, and the patient have severe dampness, in this condition, we also need to modify the herbs. We need to add some herbs to clear the dampness. The first formula we're going to discuss here is Qing Luo Yin. Qing Luo Yin. This formula was recorded in Qing Dynasty. It's about 300 years ago, 300 to 400 years ago. The ingredients of this formula is 鲜荷叶、鲜银花、丝瓜皮、西瓜脆衣、鲜扁豆花、鲜竹叶心. As you can see from this formula, the ingredients, there are 6 different ingredients, but the ingredients of these are actually our food. So 荷叶 is the lotus, the leaves of the lotus. In China, we like lotus, and because the whole lotus is very precious, the whole lotus can be used as medicine. It can be used as herbal medicine. Different parts of the lotus have different functions, such as the roots of lotus. When we make the roots into charcoal, we call 偶结炭. 偶结 or 偶结炭. It is used to stop bleeding. The lotus, the seeds of the lotus, we call 莲子. 莲子 is a very good herb to tonify the spleen, to tonify the stomach. And in the seeds of the lotus, inside the seeds, you can see the two green leaves. It's actually the heart of the seeds. When you eat them, you have the very bitter taste. We call it 莲子心. 莲子心 means the heart of the seeds of lotus. 莲子心, you have the function to clear the heat. And here in this formula, we talk about 荷叶. 荷叶 is the lotus leaves. Lotus leaves also can clear the heat. So this formula, the patient's condition was due to summer heat. So the first thing, it happens in summer, and the pathogen stay in Qi level. The patient will be sometimes feel hot or even fever, thirsty, but the fever is not severe. The thirsty is also not severe. The patient can feel dizzy, not severe, red tongue with some white coating. So as you can see from all these symptoms, the patient doesn't feel good. There's some discomfort the patient can feel, but also the condition is not severe. So actually this formula is used for mild condition due to summer heat. So if in summer it's very hot, especially for those people who work under the sun, they can always have this kind of herbal medicine, or when they make like this kind of tea, they can have during the day, during summer, when they work, during the day when they are working in summer under the sun. It can help to relieve the heat symptom there. It can help for prevention. This formula actually it is an example for herbal medicine used for prevention. This formula can use to prevent people become sick due to the high temperature. Thank you for watching our video today. For more information, you can visit our website.